BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO Niman Waindam Oma Noongum. 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 Hey everybody! And welcome back to the show. I am NANABOOZHOO, and on the guitar, Michael Lyons. And in the studio with us, the lovely and talented Natasha. And today is Sunday. In the Anishinaabe language, we call this Anama E Gija Good, Prayer Day. So I think what I'd like to do is say a little prayer in the Anishinaabe language. And I'll translate it for you. But this is just a good Sunday prayer, if you're interested in, that kind of thing. Gitche Manadu, Great Spirit. Miigwech Kakina Gegu, Kaiji Chikean Nungom. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech Kaiji Webak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech Kaiji Gija Guk. Thank you for this day. And Miigwech Kaiji Bimadaziyan. Thank you for my life. Miigwech Bezandawiya Gichimanadu. Thank you for listening. And this is your Sunday morning Anama E, your Sunday morning prayer. So whoops. Let me try that again. Oh, BOOZHOO. That was stupid. How you doing? Welcome to the show. Just thought I'd step outside, play around with my green screen technology. Yeah, okay. You want to know the truth? We don't really own a teleporter. Don't tell the kids. I'm trying to make the show fun, all right? Nah, just kidding. BOOZHOO, everyone. Hello. Kakina Awiya. Hello, everybody. And welcome to the show. I'm NANABOOZHOO. Just thought I'd step outside, see how the leaves are changing. Oh, they're changing fast, aren't they? Dugwagan is upon us. It is Dugwagan. It's autumn. It's fall, when the leaves fall. If you catch a leaf in your left hand, I think. Catch a leaf in your left hand, and that's harder to do than you think. But you catch a single leaf in your left hand, you can say a prayer on that leaf, make a wish, and then crumple it up and throw it into the wind, and your wish will come true. That's an old ancient Chinese secret. Oh, ancient Chinese secret, huh? What's going on down here? Hey, MJ's here. Bonjour, MJ. How you doing? Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. Are you having a good Anama E Gija Good? Are you having a good prayer day? Did you get up and you say your prayers? Did you get up and say, thank you, Creator, for creating this day. Miigwech Kaiji Gija Guk. This day, this prayer day. Anama E Gija Good. John Redcorn knows what I'm talking about. Bonjour, John. John's easy like Sunday morning. All you got to do is take him out for dinner, buy him some flowers, maybe some candies. And, he's easy. No, just kidding. MJ is here. Bonjour, MJ. Good morning. It's nice to see you. Friendship 1. Oh, BOOZHOO Friendship. Nice to see you here. The lyrics are a nice idea for a prayer. Yeah, that was cool. when Michael and I put together that little, as I get older, the less I seem to understand. I'm still at the very basics of understanding anything. And I'm not trying to be like falsely modest or anything, But as I get older and more spiritually advanced, I start to understand less and less what is a prayer. Can you just think your prayer and the Creator will hear it? That's what we all assume. Why do we think that? Anything I've ever learned about prayer and the Creator, any words I've heard about it, I heard from people. Even that Bible is written by people. People. And it occurred to me the other day, I was like, okay, well, me and the rest of the world have been lied to so much. People are the worst liars. It's like, how can I trust anything I think I know if I was taught it by a person? So they say, yeah, make sure you say your prayers. Oh, should I say it out loud so the Creator can hear me? No, just think it in your head. That's fine. He can read your mind. Oh, that's okay. That stands to reason. I mean, if you can make trees and air and water and stuff. But why should we believe that? How did that person possibly get that information? You got all these storytellers in the Bible. The Gagi Kwe Mazine Ikan in the Bible. They say, oh yeah, well God came to me and He told me. Oh, He came to me in a dream. Oh, I have these special powers. I can read golden tablets. So trust me, I speak on behalf of Gitche Manado. Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't trust anybody. Except the BOOZHOO crew. And Melanie Anderson. I trust Melanie Anderson. I would give her my password. If Melanie Anderson was like, hey, what's your password? I said, well, here you go, Melanie. I trust you. You're not like these liars in whatever. How you doing, Melanie? Yeah, so I go out to pray, and then you go, okay, what is prayer? Talking to God. All right, great. Hey, BOOZHOO, get your manado. Hello, Great Spirit. How are you? Pardon me, I said, how are you? Oh, I'm getting a silent treatment from the Creator. That makes me feel great. Thank you so much for your many blessings. I'm assuming you did, because some dude who lied about landing on the moon told us that, or whatever. I guess the scientists and NASA never talk about God. But, I assume that there's a Creator who's still a conscious living, living or whatever. And when I pray, He can hear me, even when I think. So I get on my knees and, oh, hello, Great Spirit. Please accept my tobacco. Odapanan niwi asema. Daga odapanan niwi asema. Please accept my tobacco, Creator. And then nothing. Okay. And then what is prayer? What do you do? Thank you for this day. Thank you for the food. God is great. God is good. Let us thank Him for this food. Food, good. They don't really rhyme. They spell like they're rhymed, but they don't rhyme. But anyway, so okay. Don't really understand prayer. So, okay, what, just be grateful? Makes sense. Wise words. You should always be grateful. Gratitude is, what is gratitude? Miigwech wendam. Thankfulness. Miigwech wendam. And actually, as I get a little older and wiser, I start to realize, oh yeah, miigwech wendam. Gratitude. That's actually more important than happiness. In fact, I think it is happiness. When you are grateful, that's everything. You're at peace, you're happy, you're wise, you're in the moment. Everything is perfect. We should quit trying to become happy, and we should become just grateful. We should teach our kids, how does one become grateful? Because the world's telling them, hey, you want to be happy? Go buy a boat. All you need is a boat. If you can get a boat, go out there, go fishing, then everything will be fine. How do I get a boat? Well, take out a loan, get a job. Go to that job every day. And 2 weeks out of the year, if you take out a loan and are paying on that loan, you can also have to buy a truck and a trailer and a bunch of bait and go rent someplace. Then you can take that boat up north to Bemidji and go fishing for a couple hours. Then bring it back in, put it back on the trailer, whatever. We're seeking happiness out of stuff or experiences. And it never happens. Instead, we should chase gratitude. How do you become grateful? Well, you just start looking around. Oh, wow. So glad it's not raining. I can be on the podcast, and it's a sunny sky. I'm grateful for the beautiful day. Miigwech gitchimanadu. Ga iji gijakak. Ga iji buck. Thank you, Great Spirit, for this day. Thank you for this weather. Start paying attention. I remembered to put on my clothes. You ever have one of those dreams where you're walking around and you go, I forgot to put on my clothes. I'm standing here all naked. Those are great. But, I'm grateful that I put on some clothes. I'm not standing here all buck naked. All naked like a buck. What, the does are wearing dresses now or something? All deer are naked. All animals are naked. What am I talking about? Why don't you guys put on some pants? You've seen the Disney characters. They at least put on shirts. You got Daffy Duck. He's got a shirt. Got a little sailor shirt. Or is that Donald Duck? That's Donald Duck. Daffy's a loon. That's the weird thing about cartoons. They actually bring up more questions than answers. You got Donald Duck wearing half a Navy outfit. He's got the shirt and the hat, no pants. It's like, where are your pants? Admiral? Or whatever they call Navy guys. Seaman? Put on some pants. And then you go over to Bugs Bunny land, and there's Daffy Duck. An obvious black mallard. No, not black mallard, black loon. Daffy Duck's a loon. A mung. Mung. That's what we call loons in Ojibwe. Mung. Oh yeah, some Hmong guys moved into Minneapolis. No, that's a different group. Hmong, loon, is the state bird. I don't know why we give certain birds, and he's not even a bird, he's a loon. He's like a duck. Are loons ducks? Maybe that's a thing. Maybe it's one of those things where all loons are ducks, but not all ducks are loons. I think I just worked that out. Anyway. So, prayer and knowing the Creator. What is it? How is it? Beats me. Are we supposed to ask for stuff like a genie? Oh, Great Spirit in the sky. Please, please cure me of my COVID-19. Please send a healer named Mr. Dr. Fauci. Let him inoculate the world with whatever that stuff is. Nobody knows. Don't ask questions. Just stick it in your blood. You'll be fine. It's okay. I don't think so. Do you ask for stuff? Careful what you wish for. That's another thing they say. For you will surely get it. So what? Do I pray for... oh, please send me money. That seems dumb. May I borrow $20, Creator? You just wait for one of these leaves to just drop and turn into a 20. I don't know. What am I doing out here? I'm thinking about prayer and Creator and deep questions. I don't know why. Maybe I should go back. Maybe. I wonder if they're wondering where I am. I bet you right now Natasha's saying to herself, where is NANABOOZHOO? Andi Ayan NANABOOZHOO. She's probably saying that. And if I could get my thing together. Okay, I wonder if she's thinking that right now.
Andi Aya NANABOOZHOO, Andi Aya NANABOOZHOO.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Aya
Mimi no eya mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Andi Aya Anamosh, Andi Aya Anamosh.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Aya
Mimi no eya mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Andi Aya Benjamin, Andi Aya Benjamin.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Aya
Mimi no eya mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Andi Aya Michael, Andi Aya Michael.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Aya
Mimi no eya mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Andi Aya NANABOOZHOO, Andi Aya NANABOOZHOO. Andi Aya NANABOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, hint, hint.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie, where did the outdoors go?
I don't know, we're running on the fly.
We didn't prepare very well this morning. Hey, let me see if I can do something about the outdoors. No. What if... That's part of it. Oh my beanie, oh my beanie. On the A. Oh, what? You know what this is, sweetie?
What's that?
It's that whole kind of cool library thing. Can you teleport me, both of us, to the library?
No, that's stupid.
Yeah, you're right. That is stupid. Hold on. Let's see. The sun's just coming up. Can I find the sunrise?
Yeah, find the sunrise.
All right. Excuse us while we tend to the creation of the world outside. Oh my beanie, oh my beanie. Here comes the sunrise. No, 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 no.
It's been a long, cold, lonely winter.
Here comes the sun. Doo, doo, doo. Here comes the sun. Is that right?
I think I'll be good.
All right. Bonjour. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha.
Bonjour, gakina awia. Hello, everybody.
And I was just outside questioning the ways of Gitche Manadu and the nature of prayer.
Oh, getting deep first thing in the morning.
Yeah, I don't know why. Hey, look, it's Michael Lyons. Hey, everyone, welcome to the show. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Well, should we start counting the hours yet?
Counting the hours to what?
To our big live gig at the Pine Brewery? Jack Pine Brewery?
That sounds right. Well, what is it, tomorrow night?
Yep. Tomorrow night, we're going on live with Michael and Emily at the Jack Pine Brewery at 5:30. It looks like we're going to be playing outside, Michael. Yeah, but it's supposed to be nice. It's going to be like 75 degrees and sunny. Oh, good. But we're not going to be able to play clips from the show if it's outside. Yeah, I know. That kind of sucks. Oh. If they want to watch a show, they can get off their butts and get to YouTube like the rest of us. You know what I'm saying?
I know, huh?
Anyway. So what are we doing today, sweetie?
You want to teach some Ojibwe?
I was thinking about it. I mean, I don't know. Are people getting sick of it?
I don't know.
Hey, Surrealist is here, sweetie.
Well, bonjour, Surrealist.
Bonjour, Surrealist. Surely you jest.
I never jest, and stop calling me Shirley.
Today, everybody, Gakina Awia is Anama Egg Good Prayer Day. That's what we called Sunday back in the days of the grandfathers, sweetie.
That's what they say.
Yep. And in addition to that, as well, we would call the Great Spirit Gitche Manadu. Gitche Manadu, sweetie. Did you know that?
I did know that.
I know you know that. But that was that's what the Anishinaabe called God, or the Creator, or the Father, or whatever you want to call him. Yahweh. It's another word.
Yahweh, God, Great Spirit. I don't know.
Gitche Manadu, great. And you know what I think is great, sweetie?
What's that?
The Ojibwe language for come here.
Ondas!
Ondas! Come here. Owas, go away. These are from yesterday. Oma binin,
Anireshi eaya,
nimi no eya miigwech,
giga waba minowa.
You know where we got that from?
Where is Thumpkin? Where is Thumpkin?
Here I am. Here I am.
How are you today, sir?
Very well, I thank you.
Run away.
Run away.
Where is first finger? Where is first finger?
Here I am. Here I am.
How are you today, sir?
Very well, I thank you.
Run away.
Running away. And then, even as a kindergartner, or maybe even a Head Start, this might have been the first dirty joke I ever heard. I think my brother told me. And you get to the next finger and it's like, where is middle finger? Where is middle finger? And you just put the middle finger at me. I'd be like, hey, don't do that. F you too. I do find the middle finger pretty offensive.
What do you mean?
Like I've noticed all these bad parents on Facebook when they allow their kids, and to be fair, I've done it myself. I remember when Nina was like 3 maybe. I posed for a picture and I posed her hand into giving the finger. But lots of times, the parents will show a picture of their kid on Facebook or somebody, and the kid's just flipping off the camera. And I'm immediately put out by that. I'm like, hey, well, F you too, you little brat. But it's not like the old days. In the 80s, if somebody gave you the finger, unless they were being ironic or being a friend, it was really a harsh insult. So now when I see just people on Facebook flipping off the camera and then they post that picture, I just want to unfriend them and go, yeah, well, okay, fine. How come it's okay for you to flip me off, but if I do a Heil Hitler at you, everyone loses their mind? You think Heil Hitler is more offensive than the middle finger? For sure. Next time somebody flips me off, I'm just going to be, yeah, well, Sieg Heil. How do you like it? I don't know. That's not really an insult to people who are into that, though. No, not really. Please do not misunderstand friendship. The I is what you should ignore. Focus on the rest. What is this? In the middle of the 2 words is I. Okay, I'm reading this backwards again, sweetie. Is the BOOZHOO crew having a chat? Yeah, they're talking about something. Miigwetchiwendam. Grateful. Is that Ojibwe for grateful? Yes, miigwetch is much easier to express than gratitude. Yeah, thank you. It's easier than gratitude. I am grateful. For you see. Never tired of hearing Ojibwe, says Missy B. Hey, Missy B, how you doing? Oh, is Missy B here? She sure is. Well, good morning, Missy B. Why don't you sit down? Have some coffee. We were just, getting together on this prayer morning. Oh, that's really good coffee, sweetie. Miigwetch. Got Iji. Makere mashkiki wabu. Makere mashkiki wabu. Makere mashkiki wabu. Niwi eaha. Ga Iji. Ga means for. Iji, not to be confused with Ishi, the great folk rock band of the 2000 and whatevers. Michael's band. Iji means this. So if you say, ga Iji we buck, thank you. Miigwetch ga Iji we buck, thank you for this weather. This weather. Iji we buck. Iji. Is she ever? Is she ever? And Sharila says, I got the vaccinations and boosters and never got COVID. Well, that's the whole point. That's what they promised. They said, don't worry, I'd be mad if I got a vaccination and got COVID anyway. I'd be like, what was the point of all that? Well, you would have had it much worse, young man. Like, how could you know that? I'm grateful to Dr. Fauci. I attended school and went out almost every day and still do. I have class tomorrow too. You have class every day, surrealist. She's a classy lady. That's what I'm saying. But she is grateful to Dr. Fauci. You should quit making fun of him. I don't make fun of Dr. Fauci. You don't make fun of Dr. Fauci. Having him call in here. You've basically suggested that Dr. Fauci is Cece DeVille. I did not. That was you. Oh, yeah. That was me. I'm just not convinced that he's not, in fact, the same guy. Let's look that up. You going to look up Fauci? Yeah. Actually, sweetie, will you call Dr. Fauci? I can just ask him. All right. We're going to get Dr. Fauci on the line. It's ringing. Hello, Dr. Fauci. Hi, this is Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. NANABOOZHOO has some questions for you. Would you like to be on the show this morning? Okay, I'll patch you through. He's online too, sweetie. Wow, that was quick. Yeah, well, you can Google his number. Dr. Fauci, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hello, NANABOOZHOO. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing pretty well. How are you?
I'm doing great. I've recovered from the COVID-19 flu. I was afraid I might die.
Yeah, how come you got COVID even though I'm assuming... Did you get vaccinated?
No, of course not. I'm not going to put that stuff in my blood. No, I don't trust the vaccination.
But you invented it.
Yeah, why do you think I don't trust it? So, of course, I got the stupid flu. I did the old grandma treatment.
What do you mean?
Well, I just took some rest, had some orange juice, made some, chicken noodle soup, and now I'm feeling pretty good. You can't keep Dr. Fauci down.
Say, listen, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, anything. What do you want to know? You want to know about disease and vaccinations and cures? I can cure you.
Yeah. No. I want to know, are you really CC DeVille from the band Poison?
What? No, that's absurd. I'm a doctor. I'm Dr. Fauci. I invented, the cure for COVID.
I don't think anybody's invented the cure. I'm not even sure it's real.
Let me tell you, it's real. I had it, and I felt really bad for a couple of days. I was coughing and sniffles and sneezing, and, I had to take some NyQuil.
Why didn't you get the vaccination and the boosters?
Well, I just needed something for the sniffling, sneezing, coughing, aching, fever. NyQuil takes care of all that. I don't know why you got to bother with shooting stuff into your blood. Look, just because I look like a rock star doesn't mean I'm a drug addict.
I'm not suggesting anything. But, well, did you get a vaccination now since you've gotten the COVID?
No, now I can't get it. That's the way the flu works. You get natural immunity. Don't you know anything about science?
Well, not really. Is there something on my lip?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
I think I got some coffee on my lip. Yeah, no, I don't know anything about science. I went to public school. I don't know anything about anything. I believed in evolution and the Big Bang Theory for most of my life. No, don't ask me about anything. I'm an idiot.
What do you mean you don't believe in the Big Bang?
Well, I believe in the sound, a noise called bang. But no, I don't believe that old, silly, wives' tale, science fiction-y description of the beginning of... I think the whole thing's a big deception.
What do you mean?
Well, they're always saying, oh, here, do you believe in the Big Bang Theory of the origins of the universe? But they never ask, do you believe in the universe? They just assume, oh yeah, the universe is real. But the question is, how did it start? And you go, wait. Why should I even believe in the universe? I can only believe in what I see. There's blackness with little lights in it. On a goog, the stars. That's all I know.
Yeah, it's good. You make a good point. All I know is how to play guitar and how to... My city, pop, pop, pop.
Yeah. Is it non-skinny, bop, bop, bop?
Yeah, non-skinny, pop, pop, pop. Na, na, na.
What's another Poison song, sweetie? Every rose has its thorn. No, I think that's Bret Michael.
Don't even mention his name.
You don't like Bret Michael?
He left us. He betrayed us. I was his guitar player, but then he grabbed an acoustic.
I thought you were a doctor.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry, I forgot. Listen, I gotta go. Is there anything else you need from me?
No. I just wanted to check to see if you were actually CC DeVille.
No, that's absurd. Now go out there and get a vaccination and a booster shot.
Nah, I don't want to.
Do it. You'll kill us all.
Nah, you'll be fine.
All right. Hey, let me tell you something.
What?
Gigawabamin, Minowa, Nanaboozhoo.
Hey, very good. Giga Min, Mina Wa. Dr. Fauci. How about that? Dr. Fauci learned some Ojibwe. Yeah, he's watching the show. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But he claims he's not CC DeVille. Yeah, but he sure seemed to know a lot about poison. Yeah. I don't know. We had some fun playing music together last night, huh? Yeah, that was a good time. You guys want to hear some songs from Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist? And Natasha and I? This is something. And then secondly... Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. What should we play? I don't know. Oh, I think this is David and David. Oh yeah. Swallowed by the Cracks. It's a cool song. I once was a dancer, I was young once like you, though I know I don't look it. I jumped high as the sky, had fire in my eyes, and legs like a stallion. And I had a girl and I loved her. My best friend was her brother. We were on top of the mountain that summer. Thought we'd never be swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks. Swallowed by the cracks. We'd been swallowed by the cracks. Swallowed by the cracks. We'd talk all night about what we could do if we would just get started. I'd choreograph, Eileen she would act, and Stephen was the writer. But then Stevie ran away and got bored. Eileen took a job in a store, while I became this drunken old whore. And we'd been swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks. Swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks. Ooh, swallowed by the cracks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. La, 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 la. BOOZHOO! What's going on? Why am I so short? Swallowed by the cracks, a pride worn down, talking times gone by. Okay. Hello there. How are you? BOOZHOO Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. Just thought I'd teleport out here. It looks so pretty when NANABOOZHOO is out here. I wanted to check it out. Check it out. Dugwagon autumn. When autumn comes, there'll be love in the air, drinking hot chocolate at football games. Something or other, warm wool sweaters. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. When autumn comes. So, maybe I should put out some tobacco before I get started. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Hello, Great Spirit. Please accept my tobacco. Daga we duka wishin. No, daga otapanan niwi asema. Please help me. Daga we duka wishin. And Dash, thank you for my life. Thank you for this life. Miigwech iji bamadaziyan. Bamadaziyan. Thank you for this life. Amen. Ape inge. Yeah, I don't really understand prayer either. I pray every day. And I feel more connected to the Creator than ever as I get older. But I don't understand that connection. It's almost like I can't put it into words or logic. You know, I don't have more faith because now I don't even understand. Why is it so important that I believe? I can't help what I believe and don't believe. I mean, especially if I've ever been deceived, which I have. But then, it's almost like a feeling or an intuition where you kind of go, why do I feel like God is real? Why do I feel like somebody can hear me? Papa, can you hear me? Not. Is there anybody up there? Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody out there? Hello, hello, hello. You know, the more I learn, just more questions are created. A few years ago, I really kind of had like a spiritual awakening. I was like, oh, wow. I don't, I don't want to brag or anything. It's not about that. Because I'm sure a lot of people had it. But if you ever go through like a big grief, you lose somebody to death, or you go through an illness or something, you face death, sometimes you come out the other end with more spiritual something or other. And, I don't know. Since that time, I've prayed every day, and I feel like more inspired when writing songs or doing the show or whatever. But then new questions just come up. It's like, what? Oh, and since the spiritual awakening, I was like, well, I'm gonna dig into this. I'm gonna walk the red road. I'm gonna follow cultural stuff, but I'm also gonna read the Bible, and I'm gonna go to church. Maybe I can learn something. And really, is this what the Creator wants me to do? Then I go to church and I read that Bible, and more questions come up that make me go, what? Okay. For something that they claim to be such a perfect work of literature, if you actually read the Old Testament, especially in order, it's just a listing of a very specific group of people, presumably a long time ago, in a historical time that's not clear at all. You can't tell what their technology is like. Okay, they can make swords and cities, apparently. But they haven't invented any kind of electricity. They're still using horse and buggy for everything, but they can carve golden statues out in the desert. You know, when they talk about, oh, Moses led his people out of 40 years in the desert. It's like, no, he didn't. He died out in that desert. And for 40 years, these people were wandering around, worshiping other gods. And that's the other thing you learn. You go, wow, Gitchimanadu takes it really personally if you start a different religion. It's like, that doesn't seem very likely. But the Bible's all, oh, these dirty Jews, they started to worship Baal. Oh, they started worshiping the Baal earth? No, Baal. Big old, cow god. What? My god's called Moloch. Okay. I mean, that is really bad. But the Bible never explains, what do you mean by worship? You should worship only the one true God. Okay. And what do you mean worship? Do I have to daily go, oh, you're so great. You are so awesome. You're the best basketball player ever. You're better than Michael Jordan. If Michael Jordan had to play you, he would lose. All hail God. Then you get to a place and you go, okay, well, let's just pretend God doesn't care about your worship or even your faith. That's not an issue. Any more than if we had ants in a little ant trap, a little ant zoo or whatever, and one of those ants didn't believe in your existence. Would you take it personally? I don't think so. So why would God get so bent out of shape? Hey! I told somebody years ago, long before you were born, to write something down very cryptically and boringly, and that book became the Bible. And then somebody read that Bible to you as a little girl, and so now you better believe in me, your one true God. Don't go worshiping false gods. Evil. Take it easy. What is going on here? But then, you go on the other side and you go, okay, who does this benefit? If it was a deliberate effort to frustrate you, confuse you, never give you a straight answer, maybe that's Satan. Maybe that's evidence for a bad guy. I kind of started believing in God again when I found evidence for a deceiver. And I found evidence for real evil. I'm not even sure what evil is. But I went, okay, if there really is a devil, then good news is there probably is a God. And that's why I wanted to read the Bible. I thought I might learn something about the devil. You don't learn anything about the devil. Just get these random, bland, silly stories that talk about, oh, he was a great king because he believed in the Judeo version of the Creator. He burnt better offerings of spotless lambs. He was a good Christian. You're like, what? I don't know. Everybody gets so crazy when it comes to religion. And it's not just Catholics and Protestants. Don't get me started on the Dakota and that Sundance. It's like, hikes. You guys all want to be crucified, don't you? I don't know. So, I don't know, Gitchimanadu. All these deep questions for such a simple mind. How could I ever know for sure? I guess I never will. Maybe when I die. I don't know. Looking out on the morning rain. Anyway, I thought I'd just stop out here. Hey, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Hello, birds. What's going on, fellas? Oh, I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't tell which ones are boys or girls. I didn't mean to misgender the birds. Yeah. Nah, I gotta go back. Yeah, we gotta get ready for church. I know, I'm still gonna go. I'm just expressing some of my frustration with whatever. Yeah. Alright. Hey, everybody. Boop, boop, boop. Bonjour. Hi, sweetie. Hey, you ready to come home? Yeah, would you pick me up? You got it. Let me just scan for your coordinates. All right. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Nah. Having trouble? Yeah, hang on. I got it. What? Push the button and wiggle the wire. Push the button and wiggle the wire at the same time. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Hang on. How come nothing's working, sweetie? I can't believe we don't have a background. How the heck with it? What's going on? I couldn't find a good background. We're just in the nether regions of nothing. The nether regions of nothing? Well, isn't this interesting? Hello, BOOZHOO crew. Welcome to Blackness. Black backgrounds matter. Sweetie, did you know black backgrounds matter? They do. Let's have a march. That's right. BBM. Black backgrounds matter. Black backgrounds matter. I want to become an activist. Yeah, me too. I'm too lazy. Yeah, you can still be an activist. They're lazy too. Yeah, I suppose. Huh? Okay, this looks weird. We gotta find some sort of outdoors. We could start all over with the sunrise. Yeah. Hey, groovy cats. Welcome to... Actually, you know what this is? What's that? It's a holodeck. Computer! Boop, boop, boop. And computer program. Boop, boop, boop. See? Hey, that's good. This whole show is one big holodeck. Yeah. Let's talk about Star Trek. You go for it. Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a show called Star Trek. And it was a story of some friends who got together to go on a big trip into outer space. They were going to be gone for just 5 years. It was a 5-year mission, sweetie. Yep, that's what they said. And there was Captain Kirk and Mr. Spock. How come he didn't have like a military title? You know, I always wondered that. I don't know. Maybe it was a race thing. Because he was a mixed blood? Yeah, maybe because he was Vulcan or part Vulcan. They discriminated against him. Yeah, that sucks. Hey, you guys, Vulcan lives matter. And no, you don't have to be a pure-blooded Vulcan. Mr. Spock was half human. If you think that makes him less of a Vulcan, well, then you're just a racist. Don't call this show BOOZHOO Crew a racist. Well, I'm just saying if they say that. Good morning, racists. No. Who else is on there? Lieutenant Uhura. Lieutenant Uhura? Yeah, so black ladies get a military distinction, but not Mr. Spock, because he was a different species. Yeah. Who else? There was a guy from Russia. Yep, there was that guy from Russia. And Scotty. Yep, there was Scotty. He was the engineer. Yeah, he was from Ireland or Scotland. Oh, he's from Scotland. Yeah, that was kind of a stereotype. Gave him a nickname Scotty because he was Scottish. Yeah, what? Why did they call Lieutenant Uhura Blackie? You know? Oh, excuse me, Lieutenant Blackie. Can you call down engineering to Lieutenant Scotty? We're going to get, there's got to be some other races on there. Lieutenant Mexicani. Star Trek was racist, man. Oh, then there's the gay guy. Yeah. Let's just call him Lieutenant Jappy. So, Lieutenant Scotty, Lieutenant Blackie, Lieutenant Jappy, let's all go on a space ride out in outer space. And so they went out on a 5-year mission to boldly go where no man, except, of course, the inhabitants of those other worlds, the male population there, where no man had ever gone before. Ooh, do 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 do. Star Trek is so awesome. It used to be awesome. Now it's stupid. I can't even watch it anymore. Yeah, now it's just I'll become all woke. Hello, I'm your lesbian captain of color. Anyway, hey, sweetie, you want to take a call? Well, sure, I'll take a call. What line? On line 2. Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hello, Natasha. It's me, Johnny Depp.
Well, hi, Johnny Depp. Nice to see you. Sweetie, it's Johnny Depp.
Okay, BOOZHOO, Johnny Depp. Actually, I would prefer if you would use my Indian name, Tonto.
Oh, of course, Tonto. BOOZHOO, Tonto. Anin, Ayan.
Mino, Aya, Natasha. Gindash.
Oh, I'm doing very well. Tonto speaks Ojibwe.
Yeah, that's cool. I thought he was like Cherokee or something.
I don't know what tribe, What tribe are you from, Tonto?
I am from the Anishinaabe Clown Posse tribe.
Yeah, that's what you look like. The Anishinaabe Clown Posse. Anyway, what's going on? What can I do for you today?
Well, I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe word for Sunday. I've often wondered, how does one say Sunday in Ojibwe?
Well, we call it Prayer Day. Anama e gisha good.
Anama e gisha good. Prayer Day. Sunday. Does that count if you pray to Satan and sell your soul for fame and riches?
Yeah, I think technically. What do you think, sweetie? Do Satanists also have a prayer day?
Yeah, Sunday could be prayer day for Satanists.
Yeah, go ahead. If you want to pray to Lucifer, whoever you worship.
Yeah, you see, I sold my soul for fame and wealth and all that. But like all deals with the devil, it kind of backfired on me.
Did it?
Yeah, I became famous, but then in the end I became infamous.
Yeah.
And I became rich, but then I lost so much of it on women and booze.
Yep.
I even had to sell my boat.
You had to sell your boat?
Yeah.
What'd you have? Did you have a 12-foot Lumacraft?
No, it was a yacht. I had a huge yacht like a pirate. And I sold it to that lady who wrote those books.
Oh, yeah, the lady who wrote the whatever books. She's super rich too, huh?
Yeah. I sometimes wish I hadn't sold my soul. I'm kind of concerned about what's going to happen after I die.
Yeah, well, your soul will go to hell, I guess. But how would I know that? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Everything we've ever think we know about hell and heaven, some dude told us, some living person. Nobody knows. I wouldn't worry about it, Johnny.
Well, thanks. I feel a little better.
Yeah. Say, I gotta get going, man. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Yeah, am I saying this right? I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minowa.
Yeah, that's great. Gigawaba Min, Minowa.
Hey, Gigawaba Min, Minowa. Tonto. Yeah, you too, Nanaboozhoo.
See you later, Johnny Depp. Wow, Johnny Depp. Wow, so he's just out of the closet that he sold his soul? I don't think anybody is going to be all that shocked to learn that Johnny Depp's a Satanist. Of course he is. His best friend's Marilyn Manson. Oh, yeah. Anyway, on that chipper note, on this Anima Akisha good. Should we send him out with a song? I don't think we have any. Can I send him out with the theme tune? We can do that. Okay. If I can find it. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, miigwech ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching. Even though we're not very put together today. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. This is Michael Lyons. Thanks so much. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Sweetie Pie. You want me to teleport you to nowhere? Can you teleport me to nowhere? You got it. See you tomorrow. Hey, we're going to come on tonight? We might come on tonight. We might come on tonight. No promises. When to teleport. Make it so, number one. Nah.